absolute value inequalities in the form absolute value of x is greater than k, absolute value of x is greater than or equal to k. Removing the absolute value bars, the first absolute value inequality will translate to x is greater than k or x is less than negative k. The second one will translate to x is greater than or equal to k or x is less than or equal to negative k. Substituting a number for the k, if we have the absolute value of x is greater than 9, removing the absolute value bars, we'll have x is greater than 9 or x is less than negative 9. Graphing this solution, we need negative 9 and 9 on the number line. X is greater than 9, so that means all numbers larger than 9. The 9 is not included, so we use the round parenthesis. X is less than negative 9, that means all numbers smaller than negative 9. And again, negative 9 is not included, so we use the round parentheses. The interval notation will be from negative infinity to negative 9, and we'll union that with 9 to positive infinity. Set builder notation, all x such that, and again we're going to use our inequalities up here, x is greater than 9 or x is less than negative 9. All right, next example, we'll have 2 times the absolute value of 2x plus 3 plus 1 is greater than or equal to 7. Now again, in this example, we cannot remove the absolute value bars until this expression is by itself. So the first step would be to subtract 1, and we'll have 2 times the absolute value of 2x plus 3 is now greater than or equal to 6. Then divide both sides of the inequality by 2. Absolute value of 2x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 3. So now, since that absolute value expression is by itself, let's remove the absolute value bars. So we end up with 2x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 3, or 2x plus 3 is less than or equal to negative 3. Solving. First, subtract 3 from both sides. We have 2x is greater than or equal to 0. Dividing by 2, x is greater than or equal to 0. Here, subtracting 3, 2x is less than or equal now to negative 6. Dividing by 2, x is less than or equal to negative 3. Now, graphing this solution on a number line, we're only interested in the negative 3 and the 0. X is greater than or equal to 0, so that means all numbers larger than 0, and then a square bracket including the 0. All numbers smaller than negative 3, square bracket because the negative 3 is included. The interval notation, just take a look at your number line. Be negative infinity to negative 3, union with 0 to positive infinity. Set builder notation, all x such that, and we're going to use our inequalities up here. X is greater than or equal to 0, or x is less than or equal to negative 3.